see the wings on the airplane? Are we going to fly up into the air?
I find a machine, another machine.
There is another machine. And are they going to put your bag in the airplane?
Yeah.
Yeah?
I'm not
Is this your very first airplane, Kody?
I'm not sure if it's too. Like, this is crazy. Two dots, two dots, wings are there. I got windows right there, like that one.
There's windows on the airplane.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's fun. So, every more time we do.
Whoa, Kody, what's that?
It's grave digger.
Is it grave digger?
Open it.
Can you open it? It's coming. Whoa, it's hard to break into. Nearly got it. It's like Fort Knox. Oh, here he comes. Who's this?
It's grave digger.
Whoa, can you show me? Oh my goodness, what do we like about Gravedigger?
He's the hovering.
He does. Well, he's got bright orange wheels. How cool is he? He's the fire and ice one. Show me, it landed on his wheels. Can I do it again? It did, it landed on his wheels. Wow. How cool is it? Wow, Kody, it's so bumpy. Are we on the bumpy bus? This is a tiger bus. What's a tiger bus say? So go run. Yeah? And we're going to take the bus to the gorge where we're going to go and have some exploring. And we're going to explore Launceston.
Yeah.
Yeah? Wow. Yeah? Show me the straps, baby.
It's the fence. See, Mommy, it's a fence.
It does. Let's have a look. Can you just turn it around so I can see? Oh, wow. It's got a big shark fin. And a big shark tail.
It's got tooth above if you have.
And it's got big teeth too.
The exercises.
Oh my goodness. It's moving. Oh no, he's going the wrong way.
That way?
Oh, here we go. We're pushing the button. It's filling up with water. Look, the tiger shark's happy. Has he got lots of water? Oh, look, it's all getting blocked off. What happens if we pull the lever? You need the water?
Pull the lever?
Can he go through the tunnel? Oh, it's getting full, Kody. You better pull the lever so he can go through. Oh, there he goes. Oh, he's come through the other side and all the water's coming down. Oh no, can he come down the river? Big jump.
He tweaked it.
Oh, there he goes. Down the rapids. You gonna open it up or block it off? Is he able to come through? Where's the tiger shark? Oh no, he got covered in sand. Is he camouflaging? He's not hiding in the sand. Can you say open sesame? Can you open the gate for him to come through the water? What's the tiger shark doing? He says, I'm climbing! Whoa! Fall down.
He's trying out his wheels.
He fell on top of, he didn't fall on his wheels. Can he climb up these steep rocks here?
Yeah.
Yeah? Can he climb like AJ? Whoa. Wow, it's crazy climbing. He flew right off the rock. Come on, baby. We're gonna go catch the bus. Go get the tiger bus. Yeah?
What's this? Is this our treasure map?
Yeah.
We're going to go find an adventure. We're going on a mystery tour on our bus.
Yeah.
And it's going to take us on a treasure map. We've got to follow the map.
I tried it. A tripod.
Yeah, where are we going? We're going past the Penning Royal Adventures and through to the Cataract George Reserve. Is that where we're going?
Yeah, a train. You do a tripod, and also shot a tripod.
And here's Kody hiding. You find the rocks.
There's another one.
Oh, there's another one. You gonna go pan for some gold? Here we go. Wow, can we find some treasures?
It's so messy. I got this one. I got some
You got some treasures? Arg, me scallywag. We found some gold. Are we being pirates today? No, I thought we were going on a pirate ship. Yeah? They're going on a boat across the water. Oh, they are floating. It's clever. Watch out. Oh, we're coming up to the big waterfall. Oh no! The monster truck said, ah, save me.
Save them, Kody, save
What are you going to
them.
do, Kody? They're floating. Oh no, they tipped in the water. They're sinking.
They can't go over the cliff if they're underwater.
What are you doing? Oh, Kimo, don't fall in. Hop out. Quick, quick, quick. Oh, now we got both our feet wet. What happened?
I got strawberries.
Did you slip in?
Fishing.
Look at splashing trucks.
I see it. Good.
And this one too.
But this one's good.
Here we go.
This is another one.
And another one. Oh, pretty. All these treasures. Good job, Kody. You scoop up the water. You show us how to pan for gold and you go spin it around. Good job. And then we're going to look and see if we can find some more treasures.
Yeah.
See some gold in there?
You got a new hat.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
Gold. We found some actual gold. Some orange and green and purple rocks. And what have you got there? You're going to put them in your treasure bag?
Yeah.
Yeah?
This
What's
one.
there?
And we do need some more.
We do need some more treasure.
Yeah. We do need some deserts.
Wow, we've got so many treasures today. We've been panning for gold in the water.
Yeah.
Yeah? Thanks for joining us on our trip to Launceston, Tasmania. Hope to see you soon.